To keep your Ampler bike protected in transit, we show you how to best package it for shipping. One option would be to use the original carton if still available. The best way to do this is to go backwards from the setup. Loosen the pedals, those remain with you. Loosen stem clamping bolts and turn handlebars. Put the lid on. Cover the safety flaps with tape. Make sure that the flaps are well fixed, otherwise they may come loose during the transport and damage your bike. Let us know once the bike is ready. If you no longer have the original box, we will send you a different one, but this one does not have the same height as our original box. Therefore, some things need to be considered. Here we explain the steps in detail. See that you have the following things on hand. Shift your bike to the smallest gear, which means onto the biggest sprocket, so the derailleur is better protected during transport. Get the bubble wrap from the new box we sent you and prepare the masking tape. This type of tape is gentle on the paint and increases the chances of being able to reuse the bubble wrap. Now use part of the bubble wrap to first wrap the top tube and down tube as tightly as possible. Make sure it is completely covered. First, loosen the 4 handlebar clamp bolts. Carefully take the handlebars out of the clamp and let it hang down loosely. Be careful not to twist the cables. Reassemble the clamp. Tighten the bolts loosely. Now loosen the stem clamping bolts on the side without removing them. Turn the stem by 180 degrees. Now retighten the stem clamping bolts hand tight. Unscrew both pedals and put them aside. They won't be needed in our workshop unless we mention otherwise. Tip: the pedals must be screwed off against the direction of travel. Loosen the saddle clamp and sink the seat post as far as possible into the tube. The depth may vary depending on the model year. Important, the LEDs must not be damaged, so please be careful. Tighten the saddle clamp again. Now wrap the handlebar securely with bubble wrap. Let the handlebars hang down loosely again. Now attach the wrapped handlebars to the right side of the top tube without twisting the cables. Use cable ties or, if not at hand, masking tape. Make sure that the frame and handlebars are properly protected and nothing is too loose. Use the rest of the bubble wrap to completely wrap the bicycle. It is best to start fixing it at the rear of the mudguard and then the saddle. Guide the bubble wrap around the rest of the bike and make sure that especially the sides of the fork and the rear triangle are well protected. If you use paper tape, you can protect those areas on the frame from damage to the paintwork, but do not use packing tape on the frame as this leaves marks. First, fold the cardboard triangles together. These will later ensure that your bicycle is safely standing in the box. In order to assemble the box, first check where the handles are. Then fold the flaps on the opposite side and secure them with packing tape. Turn the box over, so that the open side with the handles is at the top. The box should now be in a stable position. Put the cardboard triangles left and right into the box. Place the bike in the box. If the bike is too heavy for you alone, make sure to ask someone for help. Fold the flaps on the upper side and secure them with packing tape. Place the warning stickers to the top of the box on each side. Stick the label we have sent you on top of the box. Let us know that the bike can be picked up. Thank you very much.